What's up, everybody? It's me, Miss T, and thanks for checking out the Answer TV. Tonight we're getting into another finger-licking treat. So without further ado, let's get into this menu. Okay, so boom, we have snow crab legs, and we have our spicy noodles with some nostalgia sauce up top, making its way down. You'll see it. So with that being said, let's not wait. Let's not hesitate. Let's get cracking, okay? Okay. You are enjoying your day, and your day has been made perfectly special and great for you. Whew. I hope you're getting something tasty to eat like I am. With that being said, how are you? At this stage of my life, being at home, having a me day, spa day, that works for me. That works for me. Like, I just don't need all the bells and whistles. When I was younger, I wanted every bell and whistle available. And I don't know if maybe because that really didn't happen like that. I'm gonna keep it funky. It really didn't. Expectations started making my expectations meet my reality. That is a very strong possibility. But nevertheless, like, I think it could just be like just growing up. Drop the piece. We won't lose it. Now it just feels like my peace and the calm moments are what I look forward to most. And with 5 children, those are probably the most rare. Those are probably the most rare. Ooh. I don't know if it's the best idea to do the spicy nostalgia sauce with the spicy noodles, but here we are. Woo! Oh man. So delicious. Oh my gosh. Aw, I felt it pull. It'll still be good though. Let me know how you like to celebrate down in the comments, because and do you think it's relative to your age? Just like growing up, you know? Oh my gosh. That noodle was so long. Some of these. Ooh. Ooh. You know it's spicy when it makes you say ooh. And I am oohing away. Oh my gosh, what are you guys getting into today? Let me make room for our sauce. Make room for our sauce so you can see it. Oh, that's good. Ooh, spiciness. All that spice and everything nice. How was that go? How did it really go? That was not all that spice. Ooh. Oh, it broke it. Here we are. Okay. Nearly real time. nearly in real time at this point. I had to come and sit down for our Sunday dinner. So here we are. Mmm. Mmm. I was thinking about this all day yesterday. Mmm. These crab legs came to play today. Ooh, here we go. What I tell you. Mmm. Okay, this little leg for later. Mmm. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Well seasoned. I seasoned these bad boys. You know what it was? I was going to add a few other things, but then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna move for crab legs. And I don't know about anybody else, but I can really just stick to that for me, you know? And so that's what it was. I'm like, okay, I could throw a whole bunch of other things in here or eat what I'm in the mood for. So next year, if you have a special request, let me know. But this year, this is what it is. And you can't go wrong with a good snow crab leg sit down. So good. Ooh. So let me know how your day has gone. I said, you know, there's nobody to celebrate me. I always feel some kind of way because there's nobody to celebrate me. I said, whoa, whoa. And you know, the child is young, not old enough to, you know, make any plans or decisions or anything. I said, celebrate yourself. What are you talking about? You have to celebrate yourself. You know, so if you had to do that, do that. And that's for everybody. For everybody, for everything. There is nothing wrong with celebrating yourself and taking a beat for yourself. I said, if you don't call your mother, and ask your mother, okay, that is it. That is all. So you can always opt to celebrate yourself. And who knows how to do that better? Okay? Oh, I see you, little thread. I must say, either the threads have been on good behavior or I have just been blazing past them. But I haven't really been seeing threads like that, you know? Not much. This batch is particularly sweet. Oh my gosh. Ooh. So anyway, I am heading to the beach. And I'm really excited about that. So the beach should be nice. I am just hoping for great weather. Of course, you never know. And the weather can be so unpredictable because literally one day it looked like it was going to pour outside. Like it looked like it was about 9:30. That's how dark it was outside. And somehow, got a little shell in there. And somehow it rained for about 10 minutes. Like, listen, you did not have time for it. I can only hope that the weather holds up. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I can only hope. I can only hope. So I'm looking forward to that little outing. Like, I really am more of a home person. Like, even though when I do go somewhere, where do I go? But I'm more of a home person. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And guys, we have to make time to make memories. You know what I mean? Get out there safely and move around safely and make our memories memorable, right? So I will keep you posted. Okay. I'm always on the hunt for places that are good for older and younger kids. So definitely leave your suggestions down below if you have any, because I could most certainly use them. Ooh, here's our last bite, and here's to you. See you soon. That was great. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment beneath this video. I would love to hear from you. Hit the notification bell as well, wherever it may be, so you know the next time a new video uploads. In the meantime, in between time, you take good care of yourself. And I'll see you right back here at the SK TV. Thanks for watching. Bye.